Hello, this is Elvin here. Welcome to our weekly update of the market. The market that I'm watching right now is the Forex market, and I'm looking specifically at Euro dollar, pound, GBP, and the gold. Okay, so typically I would manage and watch these four markets. So let's start with the Euro dollar. For those who are watching this for the first time, if I were to plot a weekly chart, my bias is a bear market. Very slowly but gradually moving downwards. And so far, the price has still intact with some touches here, a touch here, and the bottom is fairly solid. Okay, so that gives me an indication of a downward trend. However, I always go down to a smaller a smaller time frame to see what's happening. Right now, as I speak, COVID-19 is still in progress. Market has been very turbulent, and there's been a few ranges in the dollar market. Any dollar pair, any majors, you would probably see a turbulent or ranging market. Now, last week I was hoping that the market would go above this high. The price range here is about, say, 1.1. Of course, as of every market, I expect price to have to break above the previous high. When price touched this, it stalled. On Thursday, it stalled with a small little pin bar. Sorry, a small little inside bar. Not exactly inside, but a small little bar. And on Friday, price started to move back downwards. So with that, the range is still intact. I would just see if price will move down. If it moves down, this would be my immediate target. That's around 1.07, or it may hit the high up here, retest it to go higher. If it does go higher, I would like a retest before I take a position. Right, so that's my my view on the euro dollar. On pound, on the other hand, it's a little bit different. Previously, I've gave a very nice. I put a ceiling here. This ceiling is still intact. So that would give me like a small little ascending triangle. However, price was testing the bottom of the triangle and it started moving downwards. Now, if I were to readjust this little price point here, sorry, this little line here, it's actually pretty nice. What's happening is price has already gone lower. Price came down, retested the trend line, and it's giving me a bear signal. Right, so if it goes downwards, then my immediate target would be this purple range here, which I've actually set it up. I've already set up last week. This is around the 1.15 mark. Again, I watch price action in a smaller time frame to find an entry. Follow your rules and pay attention to what the price is giving you before doing anything. Okay, right. So that's the pound dollar. Let's look at gold. Very interesting. Gold. I've set up a triangle. Price broke the triangle. However, I did indicate that I would like price to break the previous high. Right. Price on the previous high was about 1740. Okay. However, price stalled there. Very interestingly. What is price going to do next? Oh, God knows. It's a very choppy market. It's going to range a little bit more. So far, there's no strong indication of a bullish or a bearish bar to give me my direction. So I'm just going to sit and wait. Nonetheless, price is going higher. If I were to zoom out, there was a previous high of around 1900. Slightly below 1900. Yep. If any higher, that would be my target. So with that, I'm going to keep watching. Lastly, Euro Pound. For those watching, I have a nice range for pound. This is a weekly chart. It's been ranging quite nicely. For now, I've got no clear direction, and I'm just going to sit aside on this pair. Okay, so hope this is useful. If you want to know more, do check out my website called tradeYourEdge.com, where I talk a lot more about price action. And you should be able to find some of the books or online training there as well. All right, thank you very much, and have a good week ahead.